My name is Philip Weiss, and I'm at the grave of Henry Bruckner, who was former president of the borough of the Bronx and a representative to the United States Congress. The Bruckner Expressway is named in Mr. Bruckner's honor. Mr. Bruckner is interred with other members of his family. Mr. Bruckner and family, you're gone, but not forgotten, and your name is certainly not forgotten. The Bruckner Expressway is one of the major thoroughfares in New York City and well known in the region. Any rate, Mr. Bruckner, may you continue to rest in peace, and that's that.